CP the tool addict. Woo! Henry, you gotta say hi. He sees a Wascaway Wabbit. Do you see a Wabbit? He is locked on. He's ready to go. You guys ready? This is Henry. This is my little hellion. He's 8 years old. Calm down. I know. Look at him. He's locked on. That is just laser beam vision right there. You ready? Get him. Stay here, buddy. Don't go too far. How you doing today, guys? Appreciate you stopping by. I've got a Matco tool haul, and I want to say thank you guys once again for all that you've been doing. Man, I appreciate you hitting that like and subscribe. Just appreciate you checking out my videos and all the kind words and everything else. It's been, we're just this close to hitting my goal here by the end of March. I'm sure we're going to do it, and I'm looking forward to it. We're going to hit 10K. So, anyways, we got a couple things to talk about. Henry just wants to run. If you guys want to see more Henry, I know a good subscriber, Larry Croft, loves seeing Henry. Henry, do you want to be on camera? Do you want to talk about things? Or you just want to go for truck rides? You want to go for truck rides? Come on, buddy. Come on, little feller. Come on, little buddy. Come on. Watch him. Get up here. Come on. Oh, he does. He's like, I don't want to jump. Anyways, he's down here. Come here. Let's go, buddy. Here he is. My little feller. My dad gave me this dog. And Henry's had a rough life, much like some of you probably have, and everybody has. Everybody's got a story, you know what I mean? And things to talk about. Henry's parents were killed when he was 6 weeks old, so he was an orphan puppy. And shortly after, a year after my dad gave him to me, he passed away too. And so Henry is pretty much sentimental. He's a what I want to call it. He's a museum piece. I don't know. He's sentimental. So anyways, let's get into the tool haul. Enough of the sappy stuff. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to the Matco lithium ion MCL. Now this is a big number. This is the kit. MCL 1638 SIK2M. And you will be seeing this on Torque Test channel. If you're watching this video, I've probably already sent this out. And it's on its way to Torque Test channel, so definitely go over there and check them out. And another shout out to Devion Martinez. He is the one who basically has been bragging about this thing to me. And it is a 16 volt. They are 2 amp hour batteries. And what my Matco dealer said, they're gonna be coming out with larger batteries. The INFINIUM line is definitely a standalone line. It's been around, or it's newer to the industry, but it's not so new. I believe that Techway is the company that rebrands these for Matco, and of course some other companies use them, and they're not terrible tools. Some things I like, some things I don't like. This ramps up. If you notice, when I hit the trigger, it kind of ramps up, which is part of the brushless technology. It does feel pretty well in the hand. The switch is really nice that goes back and forth, but still not a bad gun. I'm sorry, I'm sitting there punching the trigger, but light. I wish it had a halo light, but this thing, there's been some controversy to think that this thing's got more power than the DeWalt and the Stubby impact from Milwaukee. So we're gonna find that out. Might do a little quick test on this, but yeah, this is something that will be going on to the Torque Test channel. So, and yeah. All right, next thing I got is my watch chain gets locked up here. Is I got this cup kit. Now, if you guys have the master ball joint kit from Sealy, is that right? Schley is what it's called. That's rebranded from Matco. This BJP 18100 GM. So the BJP 18100 is the ball joint press kit, and I will put a picture or maybe a little video of it being in use. This is
so close.
It is definitely so close.
I'm about a fingernail away from the grease zerk in my cup.
Oh yeah? That's going to be the biggest problem now, isn't it?
Maybe. As long as my finger doesn't get pinched, I think we're good.
Well, once we get it all the way up there, it's straight. The heavy duty cup kit, which I didn't realize I didn't have, and I bought the whole entire kit, and these are an add-on to it. So, and for heavy duty ball joints, these are a must. You can see here, they come, well, it's for the GM 3500, 2500s. They are a mother trucker, if you guys haven't done those. So, I don't see any specific applications, but there's the removers and 2 installers on it. So, not a crazy one, but it is 200 some bucks for that cup kit. So, something you definitely want to look at. The last thing I got is going to be a big one. Alright, so this last one, we're going to talk about this. This is going to be a pretty big deal, and I'm sure I'm going to get some comments on this one because this is a rebranded kit also. MCS 27K from Matco Tools. Now, I literally was on the fence on what I was going to do on this. And I'm going to get in and show you the kit, and we're going to talk about why and talk about some things about this. I do like the case. It has clips on each side, 4 corners, so it definitely keeps it secure. And let's open this bad boy up. And I do have an absolute mess going on in my toolbox, so I apologize about that. Alright, so here's the master kit. Now this comes with the pressure tester, and then the air pressure. This is a coolant refiller, and I believe you can pressure test with this, but I'm not sure because I have not looked at this cap. I was under the understanding that you could. It comes with your coolant refiller hoses. Right here you've got your nipple with the screen in it. I know that's some of you guys. I don't like this. I wish it stayed up in there. The pressure tester itself goes up to 36 psi, 37, something like that. Enough. We'll just put it to you that way. Enough. Now, why did I end up going with this Matco set? Well, these caps are all aluminum. That's one thing. And then the other thing is for warranty, obviously, I went with this. I will say, and I'm sure some people are going to get upset with me, but this is a Master Cool rebrand or close, similar to it. Possibly even an ATD, somewhere around there. Somebody obviously makes this. This is kind of cool, too. This is a wrench that goes with these coolant caps that I didn't realize. So this is kind of nice. So it gives you this little slide over wrench that goes with them. But it's got the quick connects on it. Let me get this kind of set down here. Alright, so this will be a little bit better. I got my hands free now. This has a chain to hang off of it, which is nice. Like I said, it's got, this is a 27-piece set, but you have all your different cap adapters for different, different varieties. I was a little disappointed. One thing I didn't like about this kit, too, is that it doesn't have the names. If you look here, it would be nice if it had names or makes or models, or say at least the model type, Honda, whatnot. So what I'm going to end up doing is probably going through this list. I got adapters on here, but it doesn't say. I'm going to go through this list, find out which ones go for where, and then mark them in here. I really wish that for the money that I paid for this, I think that's be a little bit, would be something that I would ask for, because I think it's necessary just to save time, and efficiency is always the name of the game. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out what each one of these caps for. I think there's a deal on the Master Cool site that might say that, but these are nice because they're quick attach. They just suck in there and then you can hook them on there. Another thing that somebody pointed out too, one of my buddies, he's got this kit, he uses this one actually for evap testing, because you can hook your hose up to this nipple and stick it into plugs, ports, and whatnot. So that's kind of a cool little option. Now let's talk about the price, because I know a lot of you are going to be concerned about the price. Once again, I like my dealer, and I want to make sure that I got something covered for warranty. So the Master Cool set, I think, runs right around 200, 220. It depends. The prices are all over the place. I bought this on sale for $369, so yes, I paid a little bit more. Do I care about that? No, I paid a little bit more because of the service, once again, which is my choice, and it's my money. And like I always say, unless you guys are wanting to come pay my bills and, you know, take care of me, I'm looking for, you know, a foster parent. So if you want to make those, if you want to make that comment, then you must be ready to be my parent, and then I'll just, you know, I'll just sponge off you. Then I won't have to worry about making money, you know. I can just eat your food, and you can make all the decisions for me. So anyways, but you also got your old school caps in here, which are nice, you know, because you got your smaller ones, and then your standard, for all you guys are thinking, well, you ain't going to be able to use this on your old cars. I do know that. Some of these all these are plastic tanks. All those screw-in ones, you know, are all plastic tanks. And then this would be internal on your plastic tanks, but 27 pieces. It's all color-coded. I just got to go through here. Probably use my label maker and make labels for this would be nice. But nice long hoses on everything. I have not seen many people that complain. And I can tell you, like, there's going to be anybody that says that this is a bad set and then tells me that they have, like, a Master Cool set is pretty ridiculous, because there's, like, 5 companies that rebrand this same exact set. So, and the only difference I went with this set too was because of the aluminum on it. The aluminum housings I felt were going to be a little bit more durable than I saw a lot of them had plastic sets. So, you know, this is a little bit cheesy. It is plastic, but I'm not sure if any of you guys know in the comment box, because I've never had this. I've got the old Stant pressure tester that's basically just that. But if any of you guys know in the comment box, I'm pretty sure this does pressure testing through this, and that's kind of what I wanted, because I want to get an air pressure tester on it, but it's got this nipple on this for picking it up. But I'm not sure how this works, because yeah, maybe I put it into this nipple, close off this valve, and then hook up something. I'm not sure what the deal is. I got to look at it a little bit more. Just kind of got it making the video and talking about it, but that's one concern. I know it will do coolant refilling, which kind of sucks because I have a Matco coolant refiller, and I don't need that. That's the other point about this kit that a lot of people probably would benefit from buying this kit. This is a 2-in-1 kit. If you're looking for a coolant refiller and you want a pressure tester, this is probably the way to go in all reality, just because the fact is you can do your coolant refilling and you can do your pressure testing all in one slick operation. So over the years, obviously different many makes and models. I really didn't want to. Cap adapters, this is kind of a pain in the butt. And I've been borrowing a kit for years and, you know, fiddle farting around. And I finally just pulled the trigger on this and said, I'm done. You know, I'm not going to go into summer with, you know, playing games where I got to borrow caps or find caps or blah, blah, blah. Or, you know, I'm going to have the whole deal here and be done with it. So anyways, guys, any comments, questions, or concerns, remember, hit them down there in that comment box. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.